Mobile Legends.
Topik cepat-cepat serang dia.
Ya, aku tengah serang ni.
Serang diri. Dia tinggalkan aku sorang-sorang.
Ya, aku tengah kejar ni.
Alah, tengok kan aku dah mati dah.
Oh, tak apa. Kau dulu.
Enemy savage. Double kill. Triple kill.
Weh, korang. Sorry tau, kita datang lambat. Ada hal tadi. Sorry tau lambat. Kelayan. Kau main apa ni?
Tak main ML lah, korang lambat sangat.
Alah, sorry lah.
Aduh, jom lah main ML sekali.
Eh, Haris. Tak bosan ke main game ni? Nampak macam kau tak pernah menang ke?
Sorry sikit Kau tak nampak ni berapa banyak ni aku main. Best lah game ni. Lalu kita nak main game apa?
Ni, apa tu download satu game ni? Construction Equipment. Kamu best kan?
Best lah game ni. Jom lah korang main sekali. Jom.
Topik, kau ni kusyuk je main. Kau tahu tak benda tu apa dia?
Tak. Aku seronok je main ni. Aku pun tak tahu apa. Kau tahu?
Aku tak tahu. Kau yang main, mana aku tahu.
Weh, kalau macam tu jom masuk side. Jom.
Jom.
Small equipment. On the left is plate compactor, in the middle is rammer compactor, and on the right is road cutter. Case Super M has a bigger tire on rear with 17.5 litre and front consists of 11 litre. The engine was made by Case and it can produce a net power of 90 horsepower. It contains 4 cylinders and can produce 392 Nm maximum torque with turbocharge. Fitting and transport to other locations. One or more single machines are used to provide a mechanical benefit and thus to move loads on the normal ability of a person. Cat vibratory soil compactor are durable and reliable. Performance, high compaction performance, speed and gradability to maximize productivity on a wide range of applications. Dump truck is used to transport materials such as sand, gravel or iron ore. The dump truck can be tripped over for unloading process. own two Hitachi hydraulic excavator, which is ZXZ200 and ZXZ225. According to their operator, Hitachi ZXZ200 has bigger depth of the change compared to other brands. This will increase the stability of the machine. The engine was made by Isuzu with a net power around 147 horsepower. It also can produce a maximum torque with 550 Nm of torque with 6 cylinders. Hitachi ZXZ contains a turbocharged and intercooled to produce more power, low fuel consumption and high durability to ensure low running costs. Cutter and bar bending machine are made available to meet the defined technical specification and the sturdy as well as user-friendly in operations. This machine also eliminates need for routine maintenance. Further, the bushes as well as pivots being supplied with machine are in hardened steel, permitting any cut or bend angle as well as stirrup to be made. This machine can be operated with screw control. It can be handled by hand or foot. Drum has 37-inch diameter with the diesel engine. According to Zainal engine operator, this machine is using for the small construction such as structure. For the bigger construction, Zainal engine will order through the factory concrete mixer.
Weh, panas ah.
Memang panas.
Panas kan.
Lagi side tadi.
Ingat lagi tak nama jentera-jentera dekat site tadi?
Ish, takkan tak ingat. Tadi ada dump truck, mobile crane, backhoe ada,
Lepas tu?
ada lori. Macam-macam lagi lah.
Macam-macam lagi kan?
Lepas tu ada ni excavator dan sebagainya.
Okey lah tu, kau dah ingat. Bagus. Tadi encik tu cakap dia beli ke sewa?
Mun ni takkan tak ingat. Kan dia cakap beli jentera tu lagi murah daripada kita sewa. Kalau kita sewa mahal.
Dan untuk kurangkan kos tu pula, syarikat Zainal Endin ni selalunya diorang akan buat maintenance secara berkala.
Maksudnya Haris?
Maksudnya ada setiap jentera ni diorang ada diorang punya jam bekerja. Jadi bila dah sampai tempoh dia, diorang akan buat maintenance berkala.
Afiq!
Korang mesti tak tahu lagi kan? Kesimpulannya apa?
Tak tahu.
Kesimpulannya adalah pengusaha yang baik dalam pembinaan ni dapat menjamin kos dan aktiviti dalam pembinaan itu sendiri. Macam tu je lah.
Penting lah.
Penting lah maksudnya kualiti peralatan pembinaan tu. Macam tu je. Apa lagi? Nak tahu? Tak ada?
Okey.
Okey, jom.
Jom.